What if I told you that you could literally create a very high converting Amazon listing without an entire team, without reading a whole bunch of books, and you can do this with one single prompt for a specific product, and you can do it in a matter of 5 minutes or even less. And I'm going to break down the entire process that I have used to literally do this for my own store online almost 300 times. This is exactly the method I use. All right, guys, so welcome back to Marketing Food Online. So as I mentioned in the introduction, I am going to show you that specific prompt and exactly how I do this. I have actually been working with AI intensely every single day for my multiple businesses online. And in this video, I'm actually going to show you the technique I use for my candy and snack business that I have on Amazon and how I create the listings. And I'm literally going to show you how I actually make the listings, by the way. And I'm going to show you that prompt right now. So check out this prompt. This prompt can also be used for any product. I'm going to have it in the description down below. You simply can take out the name of your product that I have put in and put your own, and you can define it for yourself, the layout and how it works. You're an expert Amazon copywriter and product image strategist. Now, I need your help creating a fully optimized and Amazon compliant product listing for, and this is the product, 24 count packaged of iced toasted coconut cookies. They are made fresh to order. The listing will be posted in the grocery and gourmet food category on Amazon. Please follow Amazon's current policies for product titles, bullet points, descriptions, keywords, and image content. Here is what I need. Product title, maximum 200 characters, includes key descriptive terms, no promotional words, and no all caps. Then I need 5 bullet points, each around 150 to 200 characters, feature-driven and benefit-packed, compliant with Amazon's content policy. Then lastly, a product description of 300 to 600 words written in a warm, engaging tone that conveys freshness, taste, quality, and small batch appeal. Now, again, that is something that's customizable. You can do it for your own product. And then I wanted to also add in back-end search terms. So 250 characters, no commas, brand names, or repeated keywords. And I basically hit that. There you have it. In literally a matter of a few seconds, I think it was around 5 or 6 seconds to come up with this. I have an entire Amazon listing created for me, including descriptions and back-end search terms. And I'm going to break down and show you these amazing images that this will create in a matter of a few seconds as well. Starting at the top really quick, let's take a look at it. So it literally gave me the product title, iced toasted coconut cookies in 24 count, et cetera, all the way through, maximizing also the amount of characters you can use in the title, which is good for SEO, and utilizing every possible character that is available, which is what you want to do when you're trying to optimize a listing. Also 5 bullet points. Now, some cases, there are other listings I've seen of products on Amazon that exceed 5 bullet points, but to be honest with you, you don't necessarily need to get overly saturated with that because your product description will have additional information as well. I think too much information is a little overwhelming, especially for the product that we're selling, which on this example happens to be an iced cookie. So this is perfect. This actually gives you 5 amazing bullet points, and I'm going to show you also, by the way, how we put this into the listing itself. Now, this is something unique you might want to actually adjust. This is a product description in HTML format, which is not necessarily what we want. So I'll have to change that up a little bit. So now if it happens to give you this during your request, during your prompting of it, you can simply ask them for the standard format, which would be this here. The HTML format is not something I particularly use because it also has a lot of obviously formatted text that doesn't apply directly to what I'm doing. So on the back end search terms, also fresh baked coconut cookies, sweet iced coconut cookie treats. So it's going to give you a list of search terms as well, which is hugely helpful. And I'll show you in a second how that works. 6 Amazon compliant image prompts. Now remember, this is really important. The first image will always be what's known as the hero image. That has to be an image on a white background with absolutely nothing else into it. No distractive background elements, no text, no fonts, numbers, or package sizes, or any of that information, okay? And in a moment, we'll go ahead and prep those up. So here is fantastic. Here is the actual product description rewritten in the standard format, which is good to go, and you simply copy and paste it. Now, let's start showing you some of these amazing images that this can create for you. Now, by the way, when I first started this, I had uploaded a couple of images, really basic, of these cookies that just came out of the oven. They're iced. They have chocolate or coconut flakes on the top. So these are the actual products itself. And then I'm going to go ahead and have them create. So check out these images. All right, so there you have it. That is a hero image of the product itself. And it's actually showing you an amazing, let me go ahead and click on this and enlarge it. It literally looks extremely realistic, and that is nice and clean. It gives you a basic element and nothing in the background, all white. So let's check out that next prompt. All right, so there is our second image, which is actually a lifestyle image as it's known. And the prompt was cookies arranged in a rustic wooden kitchen counter next to a white ceramic coffee cup and saucer. Blurred background shows a cozy home kitchen with natural light. Now, remember, the more detailed and more specific you give that prompt to ChatGPT or any of the AI services, you're going to actually get a much detailed images and more specific as to what you want. Don't be afraid to give it a very elongated prompt if you want a lot of specific details about a certain product. And again, we're using these cookies as an example. So if you happen to have a protein shake, maybe a supplement, maybe it's a house cleaning product, maybe a vacuum or a lawnmower, it doesn't matter. The more detailed and specific you can give that prompt, the better off you are. So take a look at this image. That is pretty amazing. Now, remember, in order to achieve this about 5, 6, maybe even 10 years ago, or even just a couple years ago, you'd have to hire an entire professional photography company to do these images, the lighting, setting up, the layout and the way it's arranged, the blurred in the back, and then some touch-ups afterwards, maybe in Photoshop. It is mind-boggling what can be done now in a matter of just a few seconds. Now, let's take a look at this third image. This is pretty amazing. All right, so here's our third image. It's absolutely amazing because now something that has been happened over the past few years, a couple years actually, is begin the ability for ChatGPT and these AI creation image creators to create specifically the text and the arrows and all of that additional stuff correctly. It used to misspell words and it was very hard, difficult for it to do arrows correctly and all this other items that you may have to go to Canva to overlap and overlay and re-edit and all that. So now this is the next image. Toasted coconut, cookie base, icing drizzle. It's absolutely amazing. So from here, we can go into our fourth image and let me show you that one. All right, so in this prompt, I actually asked it side-by-side image. Left shows our fresh handmade cookies with a glossy finish and a real coconut topping. On the right shows a dull mass-produced cookie. Text overlays, it says handmade fresh versus factory made. And here is the image. Check out that image there. Pretty impressive and pretty amazing. Now, these are great images, again, to add, showing people on Amazon, showing your customers on Amazon the quality of whatever your product might be in comparison to other people's products or potentially other products within the category itself. Because the idea of marketing is to make your product look as good and as delicious as possible, obviously with food. But if you're selling something other than food products, to make it stand out, that's the whole point of marketing and getting somebody to convert. Now, check out this next one I'm going to show you. This is a pretty amazing image as well. All right, so this one in particular, I love because it gives you an idea of what's known as the extreme close-up. When it comes to food products, kind of making a product eye-appealing and appetizing before they even get it and taste it is a really hard trick to achieve. But check out this prompt. So extreme close-up of a cookie showing crispy coconut topping, drizzled icing, and a fluffy interior with a bite taken out, shot on parchment paper with natural lighting. And there is the image itself. Now, in order for me to actually achieve this type of a shot, I could potentially do this, but the lighting and the idea of showing the texture is extremely difficult with even an Android phone or even some of the amazing smartphones that we have today. It doesn't have the capability to get that type of texture and shot. So this is what AI can do specifically when it's prompted the right way, showing a lot more than just simply another cookie shot. Now, check out this image here. All right, so we have our final image, and then we're going to show you exactly how I actually create the listing on Amazon and upload all of this information. So this one was cookies arranged in a festive gift box with a ribbon nestled in parchment paper, holiday decor around the box, small evergreen branches with soft gold ornaments. This is something that would be a year-round image leading up to the holiday season, of course, for Christmas or other holidays. Soft lighting, perfect for gift occasions. And this is the image. check out that image there. So again, to set up the props to do all of this would be something that would take hours and hours with lighting and then having to pay a professional. It literally did it in a matter of a couple of seconds. Now, the only thing with this image is, as you may notice, right here, we don't have the toppings. So you can actually ask it to remake this. And I'm glad it made this incorrectly, because let me show you how you can correct an image if it's not what you want it to be. So basically, you want to give it instructions like such. All right, so after we made our adjustment to the prompt itself, because the image wasn't exactly what we wanted it to be, you definitely can see the difference. So now it has specifically the look of all of the cookies having the coconut flakes on tops with the icing inside the box, and the aesthetics around it are the same. So again, you may not always, ChatGPT does really well with image generation, but you're not always going to get exactly what you want, and that is perfectly fine. You simply need to continue the conversation and ask it, prompt it again, and specifically tell it what it is that you want it to do. And then it may take once or twice. I've actually done it sometimes where it has taken 2 or even third time, but you got to keep in mind, even though it takes multiple times to make it correct, it's still cheaper than having a huge professional come in and do all of the images. So let's dive into showing you exactly how you do this on the listing. What it's going to start with is right here. I got to go back up to the top, and I need to actually download each of these images really quick. So we have our hero image. Right, by the way, in this space here on the bottom left, that is where you download that image, okay? So these are the ones that we want to use for the listing. So just simply click that. And you want to move down to the next one, and we'll go ahead and get through this really quick. All right, so we got that done, finished, and ready to go. Now, let me click over here. I've got on my other screen the opening of a brand new listing. So when you go to Amazon and you want to create your own product listing, of course, this will be the main page you'll come to in order for you to create. This is a new product, so it's not something that is in their catalog. That means that a lot of times people resell products that are already existing in Amazon's catalog. You can basically tap into some of the existing information and listing information for that. Mine is not, because it's something that we make ourselves, and nobody makes an Italian or iced cookie that's got coconut on it. So here's the listing. We need to put the product name, which we have. So I'm going to copy this and literally paste this into the listing itself. Here we go. Now, once this populates, this will pop up and it will show you a specific category. So give it a second. It's cookies. Good. You want to confirm. Now you simply move on to the next step of the listing, and it will come up here. Fantastic. So you have the name on the top, it's already there. You have the category, and this product does not have, I'm sorry. Yes, it does. It has a name. All right. I don't have a product ID, so it will automatically create one for you. Here is where it gets good and fun. Okay, so now we've got specifically the product description. You want to go over here. It's not the bullet points just yet. We want to go down to where we requested the description in normal standard text. And then you take this. We want to copy this and directly into the listing. Very simple. And then the bullet points. So here we go. This is going to show you the information that's beneficial, the 5 different bullet points. Here it is. And then we copy that and literally paste it right into the box. Now, when you want to add additional bullet points, because it's going to start with initial 1, you want to add 1 more. So for each of the bullet points that you're doing, you want to make sure that you are obviously adding them into your listing as you create the additional one. There's 1, there's 2. Now we want to add another one. And you basically repeat this pattern. All right, so there you have it. We went ahead and got all 5 of those set up. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including our description. So now we want to scroll down and add our images. Now remember, the first image is known as the hero image, which is basically the plain product against a white background. So we're going to add that there. That's going to be the very simple one, just focused on the product. And then you want to add to the next one. Nothing fancy. You don't want to add any text or anything like that, because Amazon will actually ding the listing, and they'll send you a message saying that you need to fix it. So the next one that follows is known as the lifestyle shot. So this would be your product in a lifestyle setting, meaning that how it's being used in a real situation or scenario. If you were selling a lawnmower, let's say, you'd probably show an image of somebody holding a lawnmower, pushing it through the grass, cutting the grass. That would be considered an actual lifestyle image. So this one, having cookies, for instance, showing them on the kitchen counter that we talked about before, that's a lifestyle image. Next up, showing a little more information and descriptive information about the product breakdown. And then we go ahead and we'll wrap up. Let me add the rest of these images really quick. And you're all set. And that itself is how we create that listing. Now, the product details is just some other boxes that we have to just tick. I wanted to show you specifically the information that ChatGPT is giving us for the product descriptions and the bullet points and such. So there you have it. It's very, very simple. And once you do your offer and you put your product details showing, for instance, how many are in there, the quantity, and et cetera, that's how it looks. So let me show you how this actually looks when it came out on. All right, so here you have it. So this is basically the listing from before. I actually already added this yesterday afternoon. It has a couple of different images, of course, because this was from a previous prompting that I did with ChatGPT. But you see the information. We have some really fantastic imagery here. Let me show you on the left side. You also have the information there for your nutritional information. This is an amazing shot that came out really well. Let me go ahead and open these up here. There we go. So you have that beautiful image showing the powdered sugar, shredded coconut. This was an amazing image that came out. Here's a lifestyle shot, a compare and contrast with another image, and the family enjoying the cookies. Another one with a stack. Now, these are all, again, created from ChatGPT and prompts that I made it. So there's one there with the packaging, and then another one showing some amazing. I love doing these here because it shows features from the particular product with the curved arrows. It just adds a really cool flair to the listing. And of course, all of this here. Let me show you really quick the product description details. Here we go. See, so this shows you here all of the information that came up yesterday that I added, all the different bullet points there, showing the features of the product. So there you have it. This was really an amazing image. And also, by the way, the boxes I was talking to you about ticking, the boxes for the additional information gives you that 24-pack image thing there as well. That's really, really cool. So that's how I do it. I've actually done it, like I said, 300 plus times because I have stores on Etsy, I have stores on eBay, and my own website. So I've been doing this for quite some time. This literally, I can create these types of listings in about 35 to 40 minutes. That's it. So with all the different products from our chocolate pretzels to cookies, to candy brittles, snacks, nuts, trail mixes, and different things that we make, these particular things are much easier to then create professional images of and listings and even optimize them without having to do a bunch of keyword searches and such like. So this is how I do it. If you have any questions about this, or if you need help from me to help you do this, I do also offer this service. I can create these for you if you're selling on Etsy, Amazon, doesn't matter. If it's spices, if it's food products, non-food products, I also have that service available. And I'll put a link down below in the description if you are interested in me helping you do this. So I'll see you guys in our next video, and have a great one.